for a few smart solutions for storage, you are in the right place. Owner of Miller Fine Few Things Limited, Arthur Miller, is joining us with some of his fantastic creations that I must steal at least one before he leaves. No, I would never do that. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I love your stuff.
Thank you very much.
Tell me a little bit about your business. You've been doing this for 4 years.
Yes.
You say that you've seen the inefficiencies and dysfunctionalities in the furniture industry.
Right.
Talk to me a little bit about what you mean by that.
Well, in regards to customers getting quality items, right, at acceptable prices, they're usually overpriced in terms of what is out in the marketplace, and they're not well made. That's always applied to customers. They're not well made, they're not solid. Are they made from real lumber? Are they made from composite wood? Right, that's what they call bagasse,
yes.
Composite wood. So that's just some number of things that I wanted to create solutions for.
Yeah, were you in the industry before? Were you?
No, my dad.
Oh.
My dad has been doing this for a number of years, so I just said that I would be a part of it to enhance what was already done.
Yeah. And what I love is that you seem to be able to personalize. That's very trendy. I love the colors that you have here. I can tell you what I want and you can make it for me.
Definitely, definitely. That's what we do. What the customer asks for, we're able to provide it.
Okay.
They're mostly unfinished, so we give customers the liberty of choosing whatever color they would want.
Yeah.
Personalization, that's key.
So that's color, but can you standardize a piece for me? If I say I want this piece, but I don't want the bigger part like this, I want this.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're all about customers.
Okay.
Definitely.
So tell me how business has been since you started.
Well, it has been very good. The crates have been in high demand. We are basically bursting at the seams.
What?
One of our main issues right now.
And you come on this show, you have to go hire some more people after this?
Definitely.
Talk to me.
Our main issue right now is just space.
Yeah.
I am currently in talks with Jamaica Manufacturing Association to see where they can help, where space is concerned.
Yeah.
But we've been doing very good so far.
Yeah. What are some of the things you make? Obviously, you have tables, you have crates.
Right, tables.
Do you span the range? You make chairs? What else do you make?
Chairs, tables, doors. But for the past year, we've downscaled somewhat. So we're working with modern, simple items, such as what you see here.
Modern and simple, but you stress on quality.
Yes.
So tell me about the materials.
Well, the material, they're made from treated pine. Treated pine. And the reason why we choose pine is because they're already prepared at the lumber yard, at the hardware. So whenever I go to the hardware, they're already plain and prepared. So we just bring them to the workshop and we start cutting and assembly right away.
When you say they're treated now, tell us what that means.
Well, they're treated with chemicals to prevent insects, such as termites, from destroying the lumber. Right.
Okay.
And that's another question that customers always ask.
Yeah.
Is it treated? Am I going to be having this piece over the long term, or is it just for the short term?
Yeah.
These are all long-term items.
When you buy one of these pieces, they look like they will last you forever.
Very sturdy.
Yeah.
Very sturdy.
So you have stuff for farm produce over there.
Right.
So you have a crate here for books.
Right.
Fruits.
Food items for the kitchen.
For the home, so you do office too?
Yes. Persons have bought crates for the office.
Okay.
Right, to paperwork and all that stuff.
And then can you pass that one over there for me?
This one here?
Yes. So this one is actually personalized. What was this done for?
A wedding.
Really?
Right, right. So it is placed on the table, the bouquet, whatever they choose to go inside.
This is beautiful.
Right.
Very nice, Arthur. So 4 years in the making. Business is good, but it can only get better.
Yes.
So if folks want to patronize you, buy some stuff from you, where do we find Miller Fine Few Things Limited?
We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. That's our main social media platform.
So we just go
now.
Miller's Few Fine Things?
Miller's Few Fine Things Limited.
Okay.
And you'll find us.
Excellent. Price range, you're going to break our pocket, or is this very...
No, I will not break your pocket.
Competitive and reasonable?
It is competitive and reasonable.
Okay.
And we always try to see how best we can help our customers.
Okay. If I ask you to customize a piece, what's the turnaround time?
The turnaround time, it's based on the piece.
Okay.
So if you provide us with a sample, we'll give you a time frame.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so very much.
Thank you too.
Very nice. I love to see when Jamaican companies come up with something innovative and trendy. I look at this and I think IKEA. You know, you think outside of the box.
IKEA, that's one of my role models.
See?
Right.
Do this. Good
right,
job.
Definitely.
High five, Arthur. And Daddy,
Thank you very
good
much.
job. Owner of Miller Fine Few Things Limited, Arthur Miller. Support local manufacturers, support local businesses, buy from these guys.